Before you begin the installation of your new tub shower faucet, make sure the water supply is shut off. To begin, install the body so the surface of the finished wall is flush with the front of the plaster guard. Then, mount the body using the two stringer mounting holes located on the bracket. Make sure the word "up" is on the top of the valve body when installing. Next, connect the valve body to the water supply. We used PEX tubing. Install the tub spout with proper fittings for your plumbing. We used bronze drop ear elbow. Then connect the top outlet to the shower pipe with the proper fittings. PEX connections should be tested with a go, no-go gauge tool. Prior to testing for any leaks, remove the cover and bonnet net. Next, insert the cartridge and tighten the bonnet nut. Then turn the cartridge stem counterclockwise until it will no longer rotate. Turn on the water supply and check all connections to make sure there are no leaks. Once testing is complete, turn the water supply back off. At this point, finish the rest of your shower surround install before completing the final stages of the faucet installation. To prevent damage to the cartridge, remove it before installing the shower surround. Now that your tub and/or shower surround is complete, you are ready to finish installing your faucet. Make sure your water supply is turned off. Next, you will want to install the tub spout. For red brass pipe installation, you will first apply plumber's tape to the threads of the pipe nipple. Install the brass pipe nipple to extend past the finished wall. Next, screw on the tub spout. Tighten until the spout is firmly against the finished wall and all the slack is taken up behind the wall. Then remove the bonnet nut from the body of the faucet. You will want to rotate the cartridge so the words "hot side" appear on the left. Next, insert the cartridge into the valve body. To install the trim, slide the O-ring over the cartridge and the bonnet nut. The O-ring, which will act as a spacer to steady the sleeve, should rest behind the bonnet nut. Then slide over the cartridge, body, and O-ring. To secure the escutcheon and back plate to the bracket, use the screws provided. Finally, using an Allen wrench to secure the set screw, install the handle on the stem. To install the shower head, start by inserting the wall end of the shower arm into the shower flange. This will help prevent damage to the wall. Apply plumber's tape to the pipe threads on both ends. Next, thread the shower arm into the top outlet. Securely attach the shower head to the opposite end of the shower arm. Make sure you do not over-tighten.